lab junction digital potentiometer model LJ118. We have two models in digital potentiometer, LJ118 and LJ119. This is our model LJ118 digital potentiometer. With this instrument, we supplied in accessories 4 electrodes. Reference electrode, this is our reference electrode. And second one is a glass electrode. Reference electrode and glass electrode have main roles in digital potentiometer. These two electrodes are mostly used for potentiometric titrations in many applications. This is our glass electrode. This one is our glass electrode. This is supplied with charger capsule bottle. When you have to use this electrode, please remove this charger bottle. This charger bottle is usually only used for storage purpose to prevent life for more time. And this is our platinum electrode. Platinum electrodes are used in application like aluminium solvents, zinc solvents. This is our platinum electrode. And this is our silver electrode. Silver electrodes are used in non-toxic solvent applications. Non-toxic. This is our silver electrode. You have to store dry. You have to store dry both silver and platinum electrode. Now, with this, these are two buffer bottles, 7 pH buffer and 4 pH buffer. With capsules only, you have to add only 100 ml double distilled water. and you can add only salt of this capsule. Open this capsule and add only salt of this capsule in double distilled water. Then stay for 2 hours. Then after 2 hours, your buffer solution is ready for use. These are the instructions how to add your double distilled water in this bottle. Always store this solution less than 25 degrees centigrade in freeze. When you don't use these buffer solutions, always store in a freeze less than 25 degree temperature. This is the stand. You have to use like this. These are the locks. You can insert in this like this and move this. Now your stand is ready. This is used for hanging your electrodes in these clamps. If you want to move, you have to move like this, up, down. I am deassembling this. Instruction manual of digital potentiometer model LG118. With this we supplied instruction manual. Instruction manual, warranty card. Dust cover for instrument. Digital potentiometer is a precision instrument for potentiometric measurements. Range is 0 to 2000 millivolts. Resolution 0.1 millivolt. Accuracy plus minus 1 millivolt, plus minus 1 digit. With this we supplied platinum electrode 1 number, glass electrode 1 number, silver electrode 1 number, reference electrode 1 number, dust cover 1 number, electrode stand and clamp 1 number. Now, how to use and install this instrument? This is our main instrument, front view. Side views, back view. In this back views, this is the on-off control, and these are the 2 banana sockets for inputs. This black input socket is for reference. Reference electrode is always there. Only change glass electrode when you need potentiometric titrations. You have to change only glass electrode. When you have any another non-toxic solvent chemicals, you have to add silver electrode in this. When you have a testing of aluminium solvent testing, then you have to use platinum electrode here to collect this. Reference electrode is always there at this input. Only changing of electrodes are glass, platinum and silver. Reference electrode is always there. Now, how to use? Now I am switching on the instrument and I am taking glass electrode and reference electrode. When you use this electrode, glass electrode, please remove this charger bottle. You have to pick this neck of bottle and move this only. Like this. Now, this is glass electrode. This is for red to red. Now, this is reference electrode. You have to input like this, black to black. Now, this is calibrate control. This is range control. If you want to do measurements less than 200, you have to turn above. If you have above 200 millivolts testing, then you have to move 2000 millivolt. Now, this is the standby mode. 000 standby mode. This is millivolt mode for testing, and I am moving to 2000 millivolt. Take both of electrodes like this. Now, this is pH buffer solution 7 pH, and this one is pH buffer solution 4 pH. Now you have to dip in 7 pH. Digital potentiometer are mostly used in potentiometric titrations. Many vast fields are there in potentiometric titrations. Now, you have to set 0 from this control. In 7 pH buffer solution, like this one. Seven pH buffer solutions have millivolts 0. And 4 pH buffer solution have millivolts 140 to 200 millivolts. Now set 0 from calibrate control in pH buffer solution 7 pH like this. Now worry about 1 or 2 points. This is 0. Now I am refreshing these both electrodes with tissue paper, or you have to like take a distilled water like this. Now these are refreshed. Now I am cross checking with pH buffer solution 4 pH, that is, it is calibrated or not. This is calibrated, and already say that pH buffer solution 4 pH have millivolts 140 to 200. Your reading required in pH buffer solution 4 pH is above 140 millivolts. Then your instrument is calibrated. Now it is ready for use. Only refresh your both electrodes with distilled water and tissue paper. Then dip in your testing solution. Directly results are displayed on the instrument display. In this range 2000, no need to change up and down, only direct use in 2000 millivolt. No need to changing 200 millivolt or 2000 millivolt. Directly you can calibrate on 2000 millivolt and calibrate and test your results. This is the complete demonstration of a digital potentiometer. When you have to use platinum and silver electrode, only change your platinum and silver electrode and direct test your results. No need to calibrate again and again, because reference electrode is already calibrated. In first testing, only change as per your non-toxic applications or aluminium or zinc like solvents applications. You have to change only silver and platinum electrodes for your applications as you desire. Thanks.